Hey, what's up guys, this is Liberty Tech here, back with another video, and I wanted to shoot a quick video on the latest update that was sent out to the Teslas. It's 22.36.2, so I'm just gonna go into settings here, so the latest update. So it brings some pretty cool features here. I'm gonna go through the notes real quick. So the Energy app, this has been long awaited. Other car manufacturers like, Chevy, they've had this stuff in their car for a while, and it goes into details of what's using up your energy. And seeing that Tesla's the EV leaders, you would figure they would have this a long time ago, but it's better late than never, I guess, than never. So so taking a look at there, you can read that if you want to. So basically it takes into consideration of what you're using, AC, probably charging, Sentry mode and things like that. You'll also have cabin overheat protection, so you can set the temperature you want your car to be in when the overheat is activated. Tesla app, some improvements on that. Not much there. Supercharging additional details. So that's pretty cool. Car left unlock notification. That's another cool feature there. And of course, new language support. So going into the Energy app here. So as you can see, it'll tell you what's using the energy here. You have the driving, which of course consumes the most, climate, battery conditioning, elevation, which we don't have to really worry about here in Florida, and then everything else, which I wish they would tell you what that is. So in park, they'll tell you what's consumed during park right now, screen time. Not much, because I don't really turn on Sentry mode since I have cameras facing my cars upstairs. And then mobile app, I don't really use too much because I know it wakes up the car. And let's see, summon standby, I don't have that feature. And then there's vehicle standby. Then you have your usual consumption chart here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But what I think, one thing I might be wrong on this. In order to get these stats working, you have to put in a destination. So if I go, I want to go to the supercharger, then it will tell you during that little mini trip what's taking up energy versus if you just want to go anywhere and just drive. It won't give you this stat unless you put that destination. Like if I want to go to the grocery store, I'm gonna have to put in the grocery address, blah blah blah. So hopefully I'm wrong on this. Maybe it does do it, but I haven't seen it. And if it is true that you have to put in a destination all the time just to get these stats, Tesla needs to stop, giving us bits and pieces and just give us the whole cake here, so we can get all these cool stats. One thing I do like is it gives you range tips. I will post a picture of one of them in this video. And basically what it says is aggressive acceleration can cause more power consumption, blah blah blah. We all know that. But then it says if you put it into chill mode, that can help. And I thought chill mode was a myth, according to some EV people out there on YouTube that tested it out, that chill mode does not save you energy and stuff like that. So no, it is what it is. But yeah, that's just a quick little update on 2022.36.2. And a lot of you guys probably don't have it yet, because here's another neat trick for your new Tesla owners out there. So you're gonna go to software again, and right here, this is how I got it quickly. Some got it quicker than me, but for those that have it on standard, you're gonna get it in a few weeks versus a couple of days for when the it hits the internet of what's next, what software is coming up next. So if you want the software update quicker, hit the advanced tab on here and you'll get it quicker. So yep, that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please like this video, subscribe, and peace out. I forgot one more thing. I recently purchased a Cybertruck whistle. I got one. This one I'm giving away. All you have to do is simply subscribe, like this video, comment down below Cybertruck whistle, and at the end of the week or next Friday, I'll announced the winner. Peace.